Good evening, everybody. Hope everyone's having a great day. It's been a while since I made a video. This one's a little different. This is my girlfriend's 2018 Toyota Camry, and today we're going to be changing out her entire headlight because the LED in here went out, and you got to replace the whole freaking thing if that happens, unfortunately. So I have a few basic hand tools here. I got a 10, I have a 12, a couple screwdrivers. Maybe this is all I need. I'll see once I start diving into it. I haven't seen a how-to video on this quite yet, so this is going to be a how to change your headlight in a 2018 Toyota Camry. This may apply to other years as well of this generation. Enjoy. All right, so first thing that comes to mind when removing the bumper is removing a few tabs down here, maybe a couple tabs. I know there's a screw, should be a screw down here in between here, like always, and hers is unfortunately broken because this car has hit a curb before. So hopefully I can just start popping this thing off. I don't plan on taking the whole bumper off. I'm just gonna have it kind of sag forward. So I'm gonna just try to remove everything that's kind of just like here, have it sag forward just enough to where I can get to the bolts that I need to get to remove the headlight. Looks like here we have some 10s for the basic little 10s here for the headlight. This little cowl might be in the way, maybe, we'll see. All right, so if your bumper is not messed up like this one, there's a screw over here that you would take off, and then you kind of just, like any other bumper, it has tabs here that it kind of clicks into. I just pulled it. There might be more tabs here on the bottom, but like I said, this car has hit a curb before, so it kind of took some tabs out, so it's kind of easier for me. So as I'm pulling this bumper off, it's still kind of being held on by these here, and let's go ahead and take those off. I have this little screwdriver here. I'm going to try to just pop this thing out. Try not to break these, man. I've broken so many. Excuse my long thumbnail. Sometimes there's special tools for these if you don't got them. This little flathead got the job done for me, or is getting the job done for me now. All right, let's take these off, and then hopefully the bumper's off next. All right, the little cowl here is successfully off. To reveal a couple more things here, looks like we got a little tab here for the bumper. Got another one, looks like, I don't know what the hell, maybe this one, I don't know. It looks like this one, this little 10 here. And again, I'm just going to take this off just enough to where I can just have this bumper kind of just sag on one side. If I got to take the whole bumper off, I'll take the whole bumper off. But looks like we got to do this, and maybe a couple more. Maybe these two. So we'll see. Again, I haven't seen a tutorial on this before, and I'm kind of just learning as I move along here. All right, I got the bumper off just enough where I think I can have enough clearance if I just pull this back and get my socket into where it needs to go. Also, don't forget to remove the plugs back here, and might need two hands now. All right, just kind of looking around, see where there's some more bolts holding down the headlight. Looks like this one right here. Look at it from the top so you guys can know. There's one there. There's another one in here. So I'm gonna remove those two and see if it'll take our headlight off, which I think it will, because it's already kind of wobbly. So let's get to it. All right, so those 4 bolts, there's a total of 4 bolts that kind of holds the headlight in its place. And yeah, that kind of did the trick. I kind of shimmied it out, and now we can put in a new one. I'll remove this protective plastic, and pretty much everything is steps are in reverse to get everything back together. Again, I didn't drop the whole bumper. I took off just enough to kind of get it to sag to where I have enough clearance to remove the headlight that needs to be replaced. And again, this needs to be done when the LED goes out in this projector, because all built in. There's no place to kind of replace it. So I went on eBay. I think I paid $170 some for a replacement headlight. So that's what it'll cost you if you could do it yourself. All right, that's it. That's the final product. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. I got some big plans for the Type R coming, y'all. Big plans. I'll do an unboxing video of what I recently acquired for it. I am freaking excited and pumped for it. But again, if you liked what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Be easy and be safe. Peace.